The Surface lineup of devices has kept Microsoft as a strong competitor to Apple's Mac devices. The Surface Book in particular is Microsoft's 2-in-1 convertibles that has managed to make both laptop and tablet modes incredibly useful, offering versatility to users. The Surface Book 2 was launched back in 2017 and was a very powerful device, but it hasn't been so long that Microsoft is long overdue to release its successor, the Surface Book 3. And it looks like Microsoft is gearing up to release the Surface Book 3 alongside the Surface Go devices in May. We have a video of the rumored specs of the Surface Go that you should check out from the top right corner, and in this video we have rounded up all the leaks and rumors about the Surface Book 3 for you. Hey guys, I'm Chaser and you're watching Tech Square. A quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for our next videos. The Surface Book's once innovative fulcrum hinge was great when it launched, but it's aging now. On the other hand, Lenovo's Yoga laptops have been offering much more stylish hinges. Microsoft has been trying to find an appealing design that's both unique and elegant, but we wouldn't mind if the company opts for making a new detachable chassis. It is also expected from Microsoft to update the trackpads of the Surface Book 3 with a larger surface area. This will improve the overall usability of the trackpad and is a minor change on Surface Laptop 3 that makes a big difference, even if you don't notice it. We are expecting things like the screen bezels and screen sizes to remain the same as the previous generation. There were some shaky rumors which claimed that the device will come with 15 and 16-inch models with 16:9 4K displays, but according to notebookcheck.net, 13.5-inch and 15-inch variants are on the way. It is also expected that the Microsoft to give the Surface Book 3 at least one USB-C port supporting Thunderbolt 3 this time around. The existing model does have a USB-C port, but it doesn't support Thunderbolt, meaning you can't hook up an eGPU or drive multiple monitors from the port. The leak courtesy of tipster Roland Quant suggests that Microsoft has planned several Surface Book 3 variants. According to 3D Mark listing, there is a Core i5 model without any dedicated GPU. Moreover, the 3D Mark listing have suggested that Microsoft will offer the Surface Book 3 with the GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q and GTX 1660 Ti Max-Q. However, it won't be surprising if Microsoft only offers the former with the 13.5-inch model and the latter with the 15-inch model. The entry-level 13.5-inch model may just feature standard integrated graphics, but the step above that can be configurable by the NVIDIA GTX 1650 Max-Q processor. Those looking at the 15-inch variant will be able to configure it with either an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti Max-Q or NVIDIA Quadro graphics for the top-end model. The GTX Quadro processors should offer plenty of graphics power for things like video editing, 3D object modeling, and many more. They will be handy to offer better performance dealing with things like digital content creation, CAD files, or even some heavy games. Although we are still not sure what exact Quadro card it'll come with. Talking about the RAM and storage, it is expected to come with the usual configurations ranging from 8GB of RAM in the entry-level model and up to 16GB of RAM for the higher tiers. There will also be 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage options. There might also be a higher tier option with 32GB of RAM and 2TB storage. This is the model we're expecting will have the option of NVIDIA Quadro graphics. The Surface Book 3 will come with Windows 10 Home out of the box. The business model will come with Windows 10 Pro pre-installed. Rumors also suggest that it will come with Platinum as the only color option, meaning no black model for those who prefer it. According to the latest leak from Quant, the Surface Book 3 will be available from $1,699, which will get you a 13-inch i5 model, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. Microsoft's top spec 15-inch Core i7 model with 32GB of RAM and 2TB storage will set you back a hefty $3,399. Microsoft is planning to unveil its new Surface hardware next month in May, alongside a revamped Surface Dock and the Surface Go 2. Now, these plans could change due to the pandemic, but Microsoft has been working towards these new devices for quite some time. So that's all the rumors we know so far. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like and share with your friends. Comment down below to let us know your thoughts on the Surface Book 3. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on latest techs and devices, and press the bell icon to get notified for our next video.